Shrimp, and big shrimp, fat glistening and caught fresh from the shoreline, hit the grill with that unmistakable smoky crackle. The shells char just enough to lock in the sweet brine, while the meat inside turns tender and juicy. Then there's the buttered batch, swimming in golden garlic butter that melts into every fold of the shrimp. The aroma alone feels like a coastal celebration, rich, savory, with a hit of toasted garlic that clings to your fingers. And for the creamy lovers, Ginataan style. The big shrimp simmer low and slow in thick coconut milk infused with ginger, chili, and a squeeze of calamansi. The sauce becomes this velvety, slightly spicy ocean gravy that coats each prawn like armor. It's lush, fatty, and unmistakably Filipino. Together, it's a full-on island feast. Smoke, butter, and coconut, all fighting for dominance as the waves crash in the background. Would you eat this coastal feast? Drop your pick in the comments below. Garlic butter, grilled, or Ginataan. Like the video and subscribe for more wild seafood rituals straight from the islands.
Lamig kayo ba? Dito. Kayo.